Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this lesson, we will examine how to pay bills from the client's trust account using the Pay Bills window. If you need to review paying bills, please read the lesson titled Paying Bills in Chapter 12 of this tutorial. To start the process, select Vendors, Pay Bills from the menu bar within QuickBooks to open the Pay Bills window. Next, select the correct Client Trust AP account from the AP account drop-down that appears at the top of the Pay Bills window when you have multiple accounts payable accounts enabled within a company file. Doing this will then filter the window to show only bills entered against the selected Client Trust AP account. Next, you should ensure that you select the correct Client Trust checking account from the Account field within the Payment section of this window to ensure that the funds from the Client Trust account will be used to pay the client bills. You can then mark and pay the bills as normal. Note that you should remember to change the Payment Account and Accounts Payable account choices within the Pay Bills window when you go to pay the law firm's bills in the future. You will always need to check the choices made within these two fields when paying bills to ensure that the correct funds are being used to pay the correct bills.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.